Well, Shytoshi has confirmed Shibarium's launch date. That's what we're going to be talking about in this video. I'm going to give you what we know and what is out there in this video. And so this is big. This is a big, big deal. I have to say it does coincide with a date, a time frame that I've been talking about in my videos. So that's pretty cool. It's always good to be right. Shytoshi, who is the lead developer, the lead architect, if you will, of Shiba Inu, has come out and basically given us the dates. Okay, so right here. So Shiba Inu's lead developer, Shytoshi, confirms that Shiba Inu ecosystem as the title sponsor of the Blockchain Futures Conference and official hackathons, ETH Toronto and ETH Women, to be held on August 13th through the 17th in Toronto, Canada. Okay. Shytoshi is also going to speak for the first time via AI at a conference on the Shibarium release date, as per the official blog post. Okay, so during this event, Shiba Inu Ecosystem's world paper will be exhibited. This is pretty cool. This is a pretty amazing thing. This is basically all Shiba Inu branded projects will be published, and treat token details will be published in detail for the first time. Okay, so Shytoshi also said the team will also discuss and likely release the long-awaited Layer 2 Shibarium during the event, period. There you go. So what event? We're talking about basically ETH Toronto being held in obviously Toronto, Canada, August 13th through the 17th. That is what we are, seeing, and that's what we are going to be getting right here. Our unique decentralized structure described in the final world paper, the hard work of the thousands of decentralized SHIB projects and the power of the SHIB army provide us with a backbone unlike any other, talking about the power of Shibarium. So there you have it. It looks as though Shibarium is going to be released at basically the Blockchain Futures Conference / ETH Toronto, August 13th to the 17th.